Hello students, today we'll see the birds of Andaman. Andaman crake. Its natural habitat is marshland inside subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest, subtropical or tropical mangrove forest. Andaman serpent eagle. Its natural habitats are moist lowland forest and subtropical or tropical mangrove forest. The Andaman serpent eagle prefers areas of scattered trees. Andaman scoops owl. It is mainly found in the Andamans, at least south, north, and associated islets. It is common in forests. Narcondam hornbill. The male has a rufous head and neck, black body, and upper parts glossed with green. Females are all black. The entire population is restricted to the single island of Narcondam in the Andaman Islands chain. Andaman woodpecker. The Andaman woodpecker is endemic to the Andaman Islands, where it is found in the rainforests of the lowlands. Andaman drongo. The Andaman drongo has a deeply forked tail and a heavy black bill. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest and subtropical or tropical moist montane forest. Andaman trippi. The Andaman trippi is endemic to the Andaman Islands of India, where its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest. Andaman shama. The Andaman shama is endemic to the Andaman Islands. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical dry forests and subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest. Brown cockle. It is mainly found in the South and North Andaman and nearby islands. It is common in forest and in distributed area included gardens and forest and edge mangroves, edges of paddy fields. Andaman bulbul. The Andaman bulbul, it is endemic to the Andaman Islands. It feeds on small fruit and berries, but will also take insects. Andaman cuckoo shrike. Andaman cuckoo shrike is found in Andaman Islands.
Here you can see birds of Nicobar Islands. Great Nicobar Serpent Eagle. The Great Nicobar Serpent Eagle, also known as the South Nicobar Serpent Eagle, is the smallest known eagle found in the forest of Great Nicobar. Nicobar Jungle Flycatcher. The Nicobar jungle flycatcher's natural habitats are subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests and subtropical or tropical mangrove forests. Nicobar Parakeet. The Nicobar parakeet, also known as the Blyth parakeet, found in Nicobar Islands. Nicobar pigeon. The Nicobar pigeon is found on small islands and in coastal regions from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Nicobar megapod. The Nicobar megapod is a megapod found in some of the Nicobar Islands. It builds a large mound nest with soil and vegetation, with the eggs hatched by the heat produced by decompositions.